If your meta ads are struggling, you need to follow the best practices. Check out this performance scorecard that you can get only from a meta rep. Okay, so on the left are the recommendations, on the right are the best practices from Meta to follow. So, adopt ASC, should be greater than 90% of your spend. Adding catalog ads at least greater than 0. You can move up the funnel. It's not for everyone, but just yes or no. So depending on, if you've maxed out conversion spend, you might, or the type of brand. Advantage Plus audiences should be greater than 90% of your spend, less than 20% in the learning phase, which I find actually quite helpful. Everything else is kind of standard. Opt into all placements, opt in Reels placement. This was cool, like diversify creative formats, video as well as static, should be greater than 30% of your spend. Reduce creative fatigue, less than 10%. I don't think we can see the percent of creative fatigue at the account level, but obviously the meta reps at the back end can see it. So they're not telling me exactly how to reduce it, but what they can see that tells you the percent of your creative fatigue. But the best practice is it should be less than 10%. 100% CAPI coverage, check events manager, catalog rate of greater than 90%. That's actually, if you have a catalog and you're running ads, you should constantly be checking every few weeks just the match rate, because sometimes it can randomly drop off and then that really affect the performance of your ads. But yeah, running a lift test or at least one A/B test in the last 90 days. I don't know about that. I actually thought this was the best part of it, which is right at the end, which is emerging tactics to consider. So I've talked about it before, like value optimization is huge. I think this new advanced value is still coming, where you can optimize for LTV or for profit margin. But regular value optimization is available to everyone. Even incremental attribution, which I'm already using, seeing pretty good results. New customer optimization is again new. I think it's coming. Right now you can do it through a third-party app where you can create a conversion event just for new customers and then optimize for that. It's working actually quite well for brands that struggle to get new customers or have a lot of organic traffic or retail presence. So it might be worth trying. Testing value rules is available, attribution setting already. The bid constraint strategies are still coming. I think some people have access to the API, but not everyone does right now. The creative volume percent is cool. Basically Meta saying, lean into creative volume, have multiple variations and differentiated creative, turn on the AI enhancements. Partnership ads is huge. You can have it, in every campaign. You can add the catalog to partnership ads. There's even the dynamic identity now where there's basically 3